Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to care for molly fish. First, ensure your tank is at least 10 gallons for a small group. Maintain water temperatures between 72 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH level of 7.5 to 8. 5. Add live plants and decorations to offer hiding spots and enrich their environment. A proper setup is crucial for their well-being and happiness. Maintaining excellent water quality is vital. Perform regular 25% water changes weekly to remove nitrates and keep the water pristine. A reliable filter is essential for circulation and oxygenation. For their diet, offer high-quality flake food, small pellets, and supplement with live or frozen foods like brine shrimp. Feed small amounts 2 to 3 times daily. Keep a close eye on your molly fish for any signs of illness, such as clamped fins, unusual spots, or lethargy. Promptly treat common ailments like ick or fin rot to prevent spread. Molly fish are live bearers, meaning they give birth to live fry. They can reproduce quite often, so be prepared for potential offspring if you have both sexes. When selecting tank mates, choose peaceful species that prefer similar water parameters, like other live bearers or tetras. Be mindful of aggression, particularly if you have multiple male mollies, as they can sometimes squabble. Ensure your fish have plenty of space and hiding spots to reduce stress. Also, for some fantastic deals, including durable socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.